Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing and supporting this channel. Today we will solve a JEE main question. Given x square minus 70x plus lambda equals to 0 with positive roots alpha and beta, one of the roots is less than 10 and lambda by 2, lambda by 3 are not integers. What is the value of square root of alpha minus 1 plus square root of beta minus 1 over modulus alpha minus beta? The answers are 1 over 6, 1 over 12, 1 over 60 and 1 over 70. So the equation is given to x square minus 70x plus lambda is 0 and it has the positive roots alpha and beta. So we know that alpha plus beta here for this particular question it will be 70 and product of the roots alpha into beta will be lambda. And what are the conditions? Conditions is 1 is less than 10. So let 1 that is alpha is less than 10. Then beta in term of alpha will be 70 minus alpha. The product equals to given to be lambda, where lambda is neither divisible by 2 nor divisible by 3. So lambda equals to alpha into beta, that will be alpha into 70 minus alpha. It is neither divisible by 2 nor divisible by 3. Again lambda is less than 10. So what are the possible values of lambda? Alpha. Alpha is can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If alpha is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, then lambda will be multiple of 1 and beta will be 69 at the time. So 69 is divisible by 3. So whole thing is lambda is divisible by 3. So this one is cancelled. If it is 2, then it will be product of 2. So not accepted. Product of 3 not accepted. 4 not accepted. Only 5 can be accepted. 6 not accepted. If it is 7, alpha is 7, it will be 63. Beta will be 63. So the total is 70. Again 63 is a multiple of 3. So whole thing will be multiple of 3. So 7 is also not accepted. 8 is not accepted. 9 is not accepted, being the multiple of 3. So what is the options? Only alpha is equals to 5. If alpha is equal to 5, beta is equal to 65. Now let us come to the part where we will find the answer, that is evaluate square root of alpha minus 1 plus square root of beta minus 1 whole over alpha minus beta modulus. So it will be 5 minus 1 square root of 65 minus 1 over 5 minus 65. So I am making you a clear detailed solution, so I am taking time. If it will be entrance examination, you will be very quick, very fast. It will be 60, so it will be 10 by 60. So answer is your 6. So which one is option? Option 1 is correct. Thank you for watching. Please share the video and comment if you like the video. Thank you.